I'm Chandra Lucariello. I'm the Director of Mixology for Southern Glazer's Wine and Spirits of Hawaii. Whew, that was a mouthful. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of a holiday-inspired smoked Manhattan. So what we're going to start off with is a little bit of holiday spices and herbs. I have some rosemary, some cinnamon, and whole cloves on a heat-resistant plate. So when your guests taste this cocktail, when they bring it to their nose, they're gonna smell those aromas of cinnamon and rosemary and clove that have been burnt into the glass that we've treated. I'm gonna pour my cocktail directly over the large ice cube. And then one of the aromatics that I used was rosemary. So I'm gonna actually use my torched rosemary as part of my garnish. So I'll go ahead and spear a couple of Luxardo cherries onto the rosemary. It's really holiday. And that'll be my garnish. So here we have our holiday version of a smoked Manhattan. Cheers.